Son came out of heaven in the shape of a man, with a crown on his head, carrying over his right shoulder a lamb rejected and despised. And on the crown of his head 3 shepherds are seen, shackled with 12 shackles, and these shackles were of gold coated with silver. And the voice of the Lamb was heard, great and dreadful, like the voice of a lion roaring over his prey. Woe unto thee, woe unto thee, woe unto thee! My image has been diminished.
Power on, pairing.
Refuge has been lost, my Lord, and destiny has turned evil.
Your device is connected.
And I was defiled until the evening by the touch.
And it came to pass when the voice of the Lamb was over, and lo, a man dressed in a living king with 3 branches of vine and 12 palms in his hand. And he took the lamb from the hand of the Son and put the crown on its head, and the vine branches and palms on his heart. And the man, dressed in linen, cried like a ram's horn, saying,
What hast thou here, impurity?
Dance of the planets. So regular and predictable, one might think they've moved like this forever. And no less so in the Americas.
Three harmonics, or 32 overtones above the Schumann resonance. Sound implausible? Think of it this way. Our bodies resonate 33 octaves above the Earth's fundamental vibration. This fits with the ancient Hermetic motto, as above, so below. I find it incredible that the UN emblem divides the Earth into 33 sectors. This has to be more than coincidental. The human spinal column appropriately has 33 vertebrae if you count the fused bones in the lower spine individually. 33 might very well be built into the architecture of the universe. For further confirmation, let's take a look at the Great Seal of the United States of America as shown on the back of a $1 bill. Let's start with the obverse side of the Great Seal. That's the side with the eagle. Most important to our current line of inquiry, let's count the number of feathers on the wings. The left wing has 33 feathers, and the right wing has 32. Could these refer to the 33 harmonics or 32 overtones just discussed in relation to the Schumann resonance? I think Rick Campbell has correctly decoded the controlling geometry. 3 circles with their centers on each other's circumferences form a kind of double vesica Pisces, if you will. A vesica Pisces is formed whenever 2 equally sized circles come together, such that their centers are on each other's circumferences. A Star of David emerges from the 3 circles' intersection points. Examining the reverse of the Great Seal, we find the same controlling geometry. Look at the letters picked out of the mottos Annuit Coctus and Novus Ordo Seclorum. Never mind right now what these mottos signify.